Hello and welcome back to figuring out Arduinos because really don't know how to use them. But today we're going to figure out how to use an RGB light, LED light. Okay, so we got our little light here. It has 4 pins, one for R, one for B, one for G, and one for ground. So what we're going to do is go ahead and plug in the ground, and you got to make sure that the ground is actually the ground, because in my first video I didn't have the ground plugged in correctly. And this pin here, this one, is the ground. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we need some resistors. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the 220 ohm resistor. Okay. And we're going to use them to go for each one. So you need 3 resistors, one for each color. I'm going to put that in there like that, and one in there like that. All right. There we go. 3 resistors, for one for each color. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. And then the ground is going back. So now we need to set up some wires from here going to these rails for the resistors to get power. All right. And we are going to be using 6, 5, and 3, I believe. Let's consult the diagram. Yes, that is 6, 5, and 3. Okay. So 6 is right about there. And then we got a 5 and a 3. Skip 4, go to 3. Why did we skip 4? I have no idea. And then we have to make sure that they go to the right color. Red, green, blue. Oh, ha! Okay, yeah, let's see here. We're actually going to color code these because we're awesome. So red, green, and then blue. So blue is 3, which I think is that one. As you can tell, I'm a professional at this. Green is number 5. And bending them and breaking them off is not recommended. And let's see if I got a red one here somewhere. Here we are. Stick a red one in there and stick a red one in here. Okay, and we are even going to go as far to get a nice long black one for a ground. And 1, 2, I think it's this one. Yes, indeed. Oh, hey, look at that. Cool. So, as you can see, if you flip it over on the side, it labels clearly what each thing is. Learning stuff already. Okay. And then this one goes into the ground. Okay, of that. Okay, doesn't need a resistor. Now comes the fun part. What we need to do is load the code. Load the code. And I'm not exactly sure what code it is. Lesson 4. Bear with me. Code. Aha! All right. Loading the code. Like that, and you will now see it magically appear on the screen. Poof. Awesome. Okay, so we first define the pins, because that is very important. Why they said 3, 5, 6 and not 3, 4, 5, we may never know. And then you go pin mode, red, output, output, output. So that's like output power to those. So you want output power on 3, 5, and 6. And then you also determine the wattage, or the level of power that goes out of it. We define red value, green value, blue value, and then awesome. Choose a value between 1 and 25. So this it looks like what this is set up to do is delay. So it will go red, and then it will delay, and then it'll go green, and then it'll go blue, and hopefully start all over again. So let's go ahead. This is the little upload button. We're going to get that. I'm going to plug this in. So that it's got power, and then hit that upload button. Uploading. Done uploading. Oh, and look at that. Our little light bulb's on. Although it's not fading. So let's go back and look at the code. What did we do wrong? This is unnecessary, as we've turned on red in setup or in the previous loop. Regardless, this turns red off. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to go. Okay. We got some extra code here. Code of the codes. Let's try to see what happens. Upload. Whoa, did you see that? It's going crazy now. Okay, so it goes green, blue, red. Green, blue, red. Awesome. We got a little blinky light. Just like the first one. But this time, different colors. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself.